What's up, guys? This is Josh with Cornerstone Equipment, and today what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift the cab on this unit. So if you're out in the field or you're doing your own maintenance, we're gonna show you how to do that specifically on this E60. We got our man Hook here. Hook, what are we gonna do, brother?
First, there's 3 cab bolts that you need to loosen up. One is right here underneath the floor mat. There's a sleeve, don't lose that. Then the 2 other bolts are behind the operator's seat, left and right. I've already removed those. Take this panel off.
What's this panel here?
There's a big, I'll call it a nut screw.
Yep.
We're going to turn that, and that's how it will hydraulically tilt the cab.
No way. All right. And just to note on this, it specifically says only to use hand tools. Exactly what Hook's doing here. Don't put an impact on it. As you can see, it's lifting up.
A few moments later.
All right, Hook, so we got the cab up. It did take a couple of minutes. So what we got now?
You want to release this with a 19mm socket. It'll come down and it'll hook on your that stud there. Keeps your cab up while you're underneath it. Safety measures.
Sure.
And just for information wise, 1/16 for the front jack screw.
Before we get into this, tell us a little bit about the boom. Why do we have the boom all the way out?
Boom all the way out. If you have it up more in a stored position, the glass, it's going to hit the glass.
Yeah, so
You
we
want
want
all
to make
the
sure
room
that
that you
it's
can
all the way
get, extend it all the way out.
All right, so talk to us. Why in the world would we ever need to lift this cab up?
Hydraulic leak, you bust a hose, they all come here. So here's your main distribution, pump, motor, different things. Cab bolt. Then you have your heat and air that goes up through the cab.
Cool. Easy enough. So, guys, if you all want more videos like this, little how-tos, comment below, let us know. We'll try to do something for you. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.